And just like that, your Triangle Rewards card is now added to your Apple Wallet and ready to use at checkout. Once the card appears in Wallet, you can scan it directly from your phone without carrying the physical card. To make this work, you'll need a third-party wallet app. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for StoCard. Download and install the app, then open it once the installation is complete. On the home screen, you'll see popular cards used by other users. Tap the Add button in the top right corner. Now search for Triangle Rewards and select it from the list. You can either scan your rewards card using the front camera or enter the card details manually. After adding the information, tap Save. Once saved, the card will automatically sync and be available inside Apple Wallet, making it quick and easy to access whenever you need it. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we showed you how to add your Triangle Rewards card to Apple Wallet using a simple workaround. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more easy iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.